Hello my loves, it's Kasia, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my wellness planner, continuing with the colorful florals, and this is for the week of May 17th through the 23rd. This is the Wild Styled Classic Size Happy Planner, and I am going to continue planning week by week. I am super excited. This sticker book is so much fun to work with, and this is my third spread using this one and only sticker book. So while I'm going through the stickers and picking them out, I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. I'm so thankful for you, and if you are brand new and just found me, welcome. I really do hope you like it here. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do for this spread just yet, but I think I'm gonna start with this black floral sticker. It's just so elegant, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to write on these lines that are kind of present right in the middle, as again, this is a clear sticker, as you guys can see. So I'm not sure what kind of pen will write on this. I'm going to be experimenting with this for sure. But it's so lovely, and I want to build around it. I think it's going to be pretty great to just kind of have this as a focal point. Look how pretty this sticker is. And I'm going to add another dark floral quote right underneath May. I think that's beautiful as well. So let's go ahead and keep flipping till I find stickers that match and are perfect for the spread. I think I want to keep it more on the dark side, or like black and white. So I'm going to be working with stickers like so. And while I'm doing this, I wanted to just say that I hope that everybody's week is going fantastic and that everybody is doing super well. Oh, look how pretty! I love outline flowers for some reason. I'm not sure exactly why, but I just do. I'm sure a lot of you feel the same way. I just really enjoy working with black and white stickers. Monochrome spreads are just super cohesive, at least to me. I'm not sure if everybody feels the same way, but I certainly do, and I think they're really amazing. So here we go. Okay, so there's two things that are pretty awesome. Again, I'm really loving the black and white florals in this book. I think the super subtle spreads like this are so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue working with those. And look, I'm bringing the same kind of graphic as there is on the other side with the sticker, and I think that looks just so beautiful. And I'm gonna add this one with the stripes. And I think the little stripes will just add enough color to tie in the flowers in the sidebar, as well as any color that I incorporate in those boxes. Oh, look at these florals. There's so many florals in these books lately that I'm really loving a lot, and I can't wait to use. Oh, look at these. These are so much fun. So in this planner lately, I've been using it for my meals, so breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, my any kind of supplements. But then I also use it for my mood, as always, where I kind of pour out my heart about how I feel. Just a little bit, couple sentences sometimes, just to kind of see correlations in between my like movement and food and medicine and how I feel internally. But also lately I've been adding the positive affirmations, so I am really pushing my thoughts onto the positive side of things and being very optimistic and being very positive, because I think whatever you put out and whatever you kind of envision comes through. That's why I make vision boards and stuff like that, but I've never really done true affirmations for myself before, so now I'm doing them and I'm really envisioning what is happening in my life, and even more so what I want for my life to look like. So we have, so very grateful for all, and grow positive thoughts, which is basically what I just said, where I'm kind of more focusing on the way I'm channeling my thoughts and the way I am bringing awareness to myself about what my brain is doing, because that's been quite an opening act as well. And this yellow flower is just so gorgeous. I'm gonna add it right there, and that's gonna offset the yellow and the quote, and then the other side with the quote, it will offset that box in peach. So that's kind of where the balance comes from. Now I'm going to be using this checklist. I've been loving this checklist lately with those little tiny circles, and that's what I'm going to be using for my little checklist for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and so on. So let me go ahead and fast forward this, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, so we are almost done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think this spread looks so good with bullet points like this. versus the one from the Happy Planner checklist I used to use. I think this is just a little bit more condensed and delicate compared to harsh lines sometimes. So we shall see what all of this looks like once I am done filling it in. Let me add this tiny little flower right there, and I think we are all done. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end and making the spread with me, and I hope everybody has a wonderful, enjoyable week, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!